the movie. Okay, and okay, so hi Fusion, meet PSP, Roshni Jha, Brar, Nav, here. Hi Maisha Didi. Okay, hi, all of you all. Hi Rishika, hi Patel Ravi Photography, hi Vishal Londe, hi Anupri. Okay, all you guys. So okay, are you all ready? We're gonna start and. Oh God, okay, I am not. This is not a personal question live. I have not gone live from MTV to answer personal questions. This is clearly only. Just give me a minute. Okay. This is only and only for the game. Okay. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start with a pretty easy one. Okay. And let's begin. Oh God, I think I'm more nervous than you all. Okay. I think we'll start with a very easy one. Okay. And so, okay, are you guys ready to play this game? And maybe I could take a few of you all live and ask you all the movie's name. Okay. So we're starting. The first movie is this. Can you all guess? I can see two hands and I can see some grill. Can anyone guess this movie? Okay, y'all are ready? Okay, guys. Okay, y'all are ready. I can see y'all are ready. Okay, the first person who's answered is Praneeth 1227. He says it's DDLJ. Okay. Shraddha Anand says DDLJ. Urmila Patel says Jalebi. Okay. Aftab Mugad says DDLJ. Darshu says DDLJ. Divran Jan says Koi Mil Gaya. Okay, that is something I did not expect. Baby Queen says Dilwale. Okay, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, Mohit says. Okay, Lover Boy Atul says DDLJ. Okay, so quite a few all have sent in your answers, and you all are. Is Jalebi right? No. Is Koi Mil Gaya right? No. Okay, someone says Chennai Express. Batra Vineet says Chennai Express. Okay, the answer is it's DDLJ. Yes, it's Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. Okay, and it's an iconic movie that I haven't actually seen till now. But yeah, you all are right. That is DDLJ. Okay. Are you all ready for the second one? Okay, all of you all who have answered, I think Praneeth answered DDLJ first. You're right. Okay. This is the second movie. Okay, and this game is called Crack the Movie. So you all have to see it and crack the movie. People who are just joining in. Okay. The second one is this. There is a crack on this guy's head also. So do you all okay. Okay, some people are saying, can you all explain how? Okay, DDLJ में वो जो scene है, वो iconic scene, जहाँ slow mo में, TikTok जैसे slow mo में ऐसा काजोल भागती है, I think it's yeah, and then शाहरुख ऐसा हाथ देता है, so that is the scene. So now I hope you all. Oh, okay. So a few. Okay, I've been getting answers. Rajat Chaudhary says Gajni. Hetvi Danani says Gajni. KD Rawat says Gajni. Monica Datta says PK. Okay. Awesome Angel says Gajni. Sahil says Gajni. Gajni, PK. PK, Gajni. PK. PK? Okay, so if y'all are seeing this and y'all are guessing this through his ears are like that in general, but it is not PK, it is Gajni. Okay, so Robo? Okay, 1 minute. I think we are seeing different things. Okay, this is Gajni and all of y'all who guessed Gajni was right. I think he tattoos things on his body and stuff like that, so that is Gajni. अच्छा, और मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश करूंगी. ठीक है. अगला ये है जो बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है, मुझे काफ़ी समय लगा इसे क्रैक करने के लिए. और अगला मूवी है, guys, are you all ready? Okay, yes, you guessed. Okay, okay, no, there's some who guessed it first वाला war happening. Okay, अगला मूवी है This is pretty difficult, ठीक है, मुझे भी काफी मुश्किल लगा, but I'm sure all of you are very smart. किसी ना किसी को तो ये पता ही चलेगा. Okay, guys, stop fighting. Who said it first? Okay, someone says Chashma Baddur. Okay, someone wants to know which mobile phone is this. Okay, फिर हेरा फेरी, चश्मे बद्दूर, चश्मे बद्दूर, चश्मे बद्दूर. Okay, there are a lot of चश्मे बद्दूर्स. चश्मे बद्दूर, चश्मे बद्दूर. Okay, so oh God, all of y'all says. Okay, all of y'all are saying Chashme Baddur. Okay, there is Bhavna Parwani who says Chashme Baddur. Then there is Dabang. Dabang? No. फिर हेरा फेरी. Ayushi says फिर हेरा फेरी. Naman Mutreja says Chashme Baddur. Batra Vineet says Chashme Baddur. Aftab Mugad says Chashme Baddur. Bhumi says Chashme Baddur. Oh God, Dhoom. Dhoom? No. Bodyguard. Oh God. Okay. None of y'all have got it right yet. Okay, one guy says Andhadhun. Okay. One guy says, bro, I don't know any movie. It's okay, bro. Just chill. Just see other people guessing. Just like whatever. वैसे भी 11 बजे क्या है करने को, घर पे हैं, तो just chill and have fun. Okay. Again, this is not Chashme Baddur. Okay. So now Piku भी नहीं है. 3 Idiots भी नहीं है. Okay. So the first person who said it right is Kripali Agarwal. Black. Yes, Kripali said it. Sudesh Nadak said it. Gaurav says Yo-Yo Honey Singh. मतलब कुछ भी. Okay. Piku नहीं, Piku भी नहीं है. तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा. It's Crack the movie, not Crack the serial. Okay, but no, it's not Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma. Okay. Bhavna Parwani says black. Mayank Agarwal, okay, sorry, this is not the movie thing, but Mayank says 11 baje aap itne cute lag rahe ho. Thank you. I had to read it out, sorry. Okay, hi. Okay, so 6 Underground, black. Okay, so all you guys who think it's black are absolutely right. It is black. It was too tough. Okay, even I couldn't like guess it for the longest time, but it is black. Okay, so guys, are you ready for the next one? Which one? Should I give you all an easy one or a difficult one? Okay, I'll give you all a little difficult one. What is this? ये कौन सा मूवी है? क्रैक करो इसको. Okay, now someone asked me how black. Do you remember Rani Mukherjee? She goes like that and she says "burf" like that. Something. No, that's Burfi. Oh yeah, no, she says "burf." Yeah, so that is black. So she is blind, so she's wearing those glasses. So yeah, that's black. Now we have moved on to the next movie. So could you all please guess this movie? Oh, okay, that was really quick. A lot of y'all have already started answering it. Praneeth is like the star performer of the day, I guess. He said Savaria. He said it first. Amit Savaria. Miss Ani says Sultan. Baby Queen says Sand Ki Aankh. Insane Mohit says PUBG, because evidently you are very insane, because this is supposed to be a movie guessing thing. Okay, Savaria, Savaria, Ranbir Kapoor, Savaria, Jahid Sheikh says Savaria, Prick says Savaria, Savaria. Okay, guys, so whoever has said Savaria, you are absolutely right. How can we forget Ranbir Kapoor dropping his towel? Oh God, that scene. Yeah. Okay. The next one is, okay, this is more difficult than Black. Like, no jokes, this is really, really difficult, okay? And, okay, for this one, I think, okay, fine. This is the movie. Does anyone, Sabaria, nahi. Winner, chicken dinner, okay, no. आज चिकन नहीं है घर पे, तो आज पनीर खाना पड़ेगा. Okay, we do not endorse this. Smoking is injurious to health, and most of y'all, if y'all see this, it is y'all might think about not the movie but what comes before the movie, the long Dhumrapan ads. But this is the movie. So can y'all guess the movie? Fog? No, Fog nahi. Fog is not, okay, not even Kabir Singh. It's not Kabir Singh. Okay, all of y'all are guessing Kabir Singh. It is not Kabir Singh. Okay, chalo. Cigarette smoking is injurious. You forgot to write to health, but yes. And also wealth, because I think cigarettes are expensive, so it's injurious to your health and wealth. Sanju, नहीं. MBBS, नहीं. कौन सा डॉक्टर ये? नहीं. मुकेश, हाँ, ये मुझे मुकेश की बड़ी याद दिलाती है. Anyway, and then also अक्षय कुमार का जब वो आके बोलता है हीरो गिरी फूफू करने में नहीं. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna get there, but no, it's not Munna Bhai MBBS. It's not No Smoking. It's not Udta Punjab. It's not Once Upon a Time. ये काफी मुश्किल है. Okay, no, it's not उड़ता पंजाब. KGF तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, पर मुझे देखना है, मैंने सुना अच्छा मूवी है. उड़ता पंजाब नहीं है. नहीं, not KGF, not उड़ता पंजाब. Once Upon a Time in Mumbai नहीं. अमलना से बाहुबली में सिगरेट कौन पिया? प्लीज टेल मी. ये कौन सा सीन था जो मैंने मिस किया? Okay, it's not no, it's not Dishum. Give hint. Okay, I will give you all a hint. What hint do I give you all? Okay, I'm going to sing this song for you all, but I'm going to leave this part out, the name out. Okay, कटती ये दिन ये रात, कहने जो तुमसे मेरी दिल की बात. Okay, so what is the first word of that? It's not Arjun Reddy. Secret? It's not secret. बत्ती गुल मीटर चालू नहीं. Chandni. Sacred Games. No, it is not Sacred Games. It is not Chandni. Yes, someone's guessed it. Okay, yes. So just tell me. Yes, Kaate. Okay, so Prakhar Narayan Dubey has guessed it. Sana Singh has guessed it. Mr. India तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. Kancholia has guessed it. Nupur Lakhani has guessed it. It's not Secret Superstar, but all of y'all have guessed. Whoever guessed Kaate, y'all are right. It is Kaate, and yeah, it was very difficult, I know, but it is Kaate. Okay, अभी मैं आपको एक easy वाला दूंगी. This is very easy. This is very, very easy. Okay. Can you all guess this movie? Okay, the first person who guessed it right was Praneet Chauhan and Bacha Yadav. Okay. One guy says bhool bhulaiya. Sabi says bhool bhulaiya. Subit Nihal says PK. कहाँ आपको दिखा PK? Okay. Nikita Rathod says bhool bhulaiya. Astha Grover says bhool bhulaiya. Bhaneet Dikha says bhool bhulaiya. Bhool bhulaiya. Okay. Satyam Prapu Kumar. Okay. Okay, so all of y'all, whoever has said bhool bhulaiya, okay, there is someone who says andhadhun for everything. Then there's Raja Babu, chup chup ke, बाला. भाई साहब इतना बाल है, इसको बाला कैसे बनाएंगे? ये बाल ही बाल है इधर. नहीं. Please talk to me, please, Maishudi, please. Okay, I am talking non-stop anyway. I also said right. Okay, Harshi says I also said right. Chota Bheem. Okay, Kitty Bloom says Chota Bheem. Okay. Okay, so all of y'all who said Bhool Bhulaiya, y'all are absolutely correct, and it is Bhool Bhulaiya. Okay, now this is a difficult one. Okay, this is again a very, very difficult one. Are you guys ready? Okay. I want to see who gets it first. Okay, you all are still replying to my "Are you ready?" Okay, I can see all the yeses. AMR Gupta says Bahubali. Shruti Karsh says Ramayan. Bahubali. Anamika says Bahubali. Madhvi says Bahubali. Self photography says Bahubali. Ishani says Bahubali. Okay, so a lot of y'all are saying Bahubali, and okay, Bahubali 2. Okay, Bahubali. All of y'all. Okay, a lot of y'all are guessing Bahubali. Does anyone have anything else? Like, do you all have any other option? Is it only Bahubali? Once I said that, everyone's sending me Bahubali 2 now. Okay. Dhanush. Okay, a lot of y'all are saying Dhanush. Padmavat. Okay. So we have Padmavat, we have Bahubali, and we have Dhanush. Okay. Sukhvinder is like, he's like, I'm saying it's Bahubali and it's Bahubali. Confidence next level. Okay. Kesari. Okay. Drona. I never thought of Drona. Love Kush. ऐसा कुछ मूवी था क्या? Infinity War. Captain 007, Captain Jack Sparrow says Infinity War. Okay. Love Kush. Okay, no. So everyone who said all their answers, the right answer is Bahubali. Yes, you all got it right. And whoever said Bahubali got it right. Whoever said Love Kush, Dhanush, Infinity War, and Kesari, all of y'all wrong. Endgame. No, this is Bahubali. And guys, they're all Hindi movies, no English movies. So yeah, okay. Because MTV is a Hindi music channel and fiction. But yeah, okay. This is not very difficult, nor very easy. Okay, so are you guys ready? Okay, we're going for it. No one's guessed it right. No one's... Okay. Do I see any answers? Okay. Nids says 3 Idiots. Ishika says 3 Idiots. Sanya Sahani says Udta Chaman. Soup Dhaga. Sheetal Shinde is angry. She's like, you don't read my comments. Sorry, Sheetal. Pankit, 3 Idiots. Mansi Pakhya, 3 Idiots. Jahi, okay, 3 Idiots, 3 Idiots. Rich Mishra says 3 Idiots. Anand says Sui Dhaga. It is a spoon and this here. It's not Sui Dhaga. Or chopsticks. 3 Idiots. Okay, could you all please tell me why it's 3 Idiots? Could you all like write your small answers? Please don't write essays. But maybe... Okay, Rohit Kumar is angry. He's like, you don't read my answer. Sorry, Rohit. 3 Idiots, 3 Idiots. Okay, Rishi says 3 Idiots. Ujda Chaman. No, it's not Ujda Chaman. Murder? How did you get murder from this? 3 Idiots, sure. Okay, Pankaj just said 3 Idiots, sure. Matlab 3 Idiots it is. And Pankaj and all you other people, y'all are absolutely right. It is 3 Idiots. It took me, I'm surprised all of y'all got it so easily because for me it was very difficult. But yes, that is right. That is 3 Idiots. Okay, so we are going to the next movie. I'm sure all you guys will know this movie. I think this is one of the favorite movies of all you. I'm not giving out any clues, so I'm not getting there. But this movie. Oh, so okay, so I'm getting replies as to why that is 3 Idiots. So one guy says, क्योंकि उस आदमी ने आमिर खान की स्पून पर सुसु किया और करंट लगा. वाह, absolutely correct. Okay, that is... It's just amazing how we are so grown up and we still call susu susu. And I don't think we're ever going to grow out of the phase of calling susu susu. What? Yeah. In Hindi, yeah man, that's the only thing I know. Like susu, yes. Okay, but that's absolutely right. Okay, this movie. Okay, we've already got all the answers here. There's Chak De India. Okay, people think it's Chak De India. Rohan says Kabir Singh, Praneet says Kabir Singh, Anurag says Kabir Singh, Vineet Thakur says Kabir Singh, Kitty Bloom says Kabir Singh, Bhattacharya, okay, a lot of you are saying Kabir Singh. So I've got one Kabir Singh, I've got many Kabir Singhs. I've got one Chak De India, I've got Dhoom में cruiser bike नहीं था, but okay. Okay, so do we have any other guesses? Okay, Kabir Singh again. Broken Star says Kabir Singh. Vedika says Kabir Singh. Kabir Singh of Hot Shahid. बेख्याली में भी तेरा ख्याल आया वो वाली मूवी है. Okay, Kabir Singh. Okay. Divran in Love says you don't reply only. Okay. I'm sure all you Romeos know which movie this is. Of course, this is Kabir Singh, and you're absolutely correct. Okay. Shall I give you? Okay, I'm giving you all a not so difficult one. Okay, so let's go with this. And okay, the next one is I don't see. Okay, okay, Arjun Rodi. Okay, never heard of that one before. BTS Army. No, I got it. No, it's not BTS Army. Sorry, it's not BTS. Okay. एक विलन बागी उंगली कोई मिल गया कसम उंगली 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 Okay, so all of y'all are telling me ungli. Luck by chance? No. Dimpy just decided to say yo-yo. Priya says ungli. Queen Malik says ungli. Krimasha says luck. I mean, all your answers are pretty great. Like there's Katti Batti, there is luck. So yeah, your answers are pretty good, but this is a different movie, and I think all of us secretly or openly kind of love this movie. And this movie, okay, I have to give you all a hint. Okay, so the actor, every time he lies, okay, he does this, so that, yeah, so every time he lies, he crosses his finger. Does anyone get it now? सनम तेरी कसम नहीं, सॉरी, सनम तेरी कसम, ये सनम तेरी कसम नहीं है. किस्मत कनेक्शन नहीं. लक, मेरे सारे आंसर ठीक है. ओके. दोस्ताना. ओके. Any more guesses? Jai Bhadrakali. Isn't that like that? Isn't Jai Bhadrakali like this? हाँ, someone. Oh, okay. The first right answer is awkward KG. That said कल हो ना हो. Okay. क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता is wrong. Love आजकल 2 is wrong. बदला is wrong. Yes boss is wrong. So okay, we found someone who said कल हो ना हो. Now I am. Palkesh says कल हो ना हो. Roma Bharatwaj says कल हो ना हो. Vaidehi says कल हो ना हो. I said it first. कोई मिल गया तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. Isn't that like this? Yeah, that is like this. Jai Bhadrakali is. Wait, it is like this. कोई मिल गया is like this, and this was Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, for the next one, I'm going to take someone live. Okay, and you all have to guess the next one. So you all can send me requests, and I will take you all live. Okay, I'm gonna view. Okay. I hope. Okay, whoever is sending me live requests, please make sure you all have great internet. Please.
खुशी अब कंटाड़े भी है वार दिए बस ओडे ओडे रची आते
Okay, awkward KG. Oh, awkward KG decided to leave the building. Okay, let's see if we have someone else. Okay, we have quite a few people. Guys, please come. Only if you all want to show us your face. And if you all have great internet, please. Okay. Okay. I'm adding Kushi06. Okay, let's see. All I can see is a black screen. Kushi. Kushi, hi, hello. Are you there? Okay. Guys, please. Only if you all have great internet, only then come. Please, guys. Okay. One. Okay, I'm gonna try one last time.
Hello.
Hi.
हाय एक्चुअली मेरा नेट शायद तो बफरिंग ले रहा है पता नहीं
I can't hear you.
ऐसे मे बी मेरा नेट स्लो है.
अच्छा. मुझे आप बिल्कुल दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हो.
आई नो. मुझे दिख रहा है कि मेरे साइड का ब्लैंक आ रहा है.
हाँ जी. Can you go
कोई
where
नहीं,
आपको
आवाज आ रही
थोड़ा.
है.
Okay,
या
so
sure.
I'm sorry, guys. Please only send me requests if you all have great internet, please. Okay, there is Okay, so there's someone who says, add me, I have great internet. Okay. Okay. Guys, I've got a lot of requests, guys, but please. Okay, this is literally the last one I'm trying. Okay, someone saying मेरे को शर्म आती है लॉकडाउन में लाइट ऑन करो. Okay. So, okay, y'all are not having, okay, y'all, either y'all have black screens or whatever, so it's fine. Okay, we're going ahead with the next one. And, okay, this is relatively a little difficult, so let's start. Okay, wait, okay, which one is this? Okay, someone says it's Love Aajkal, someone says it's Dabang. पति पत्नी और वो. Love Aajkal. Okay, Kaur is queen says 2 states. Tanish says दिल तो पागल है. Mr. Twelsky says दिल धड़कने दो. खुशी says कुछ कुछ होता है. Shibir says love you जिंदगी. Nitin Jain says 2 states. Bhaku says 2 states. Reet Patel says love Aajkal. Jeet Patel, sorry. Aishwarya says 2 states. Pati Patni और वो said by Gaurav. Okay. Any more guesses? Love Aajkal. Okay, so the most guesses I am getting is Love Aajkal and 2 states. Desi Pyar. I don't know which movie this is, but do send me the whatever trailer link. I would like to see this Desi Pyar. दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर छुपके छुपके. No, it is. I don't think that is that a movie's name. No, दो दिल मिल रहे हैं. I don't think the movie's name. दो दिल एक जान. पर इसमें एक ही दिल है मैडम. इसमें दो ये अलग वाला है, ये एक ही दिल है. तन्नू वेड्स मन्नू. Dude, how did you decipher that from this? Okay. So it's time for me to tell you the answer, and it is 2 states. Quite a few of y'all guessed that right, and that's pretty surprising because I couldn't. Okay, so the next one. Okay, so Albadi says chup chup ke. Kaustav says की and का. हम आपके है कौन. पता नहीं दी. Dabang. Okay, so Chloe Don says Dabang. Shivot says Dabang. Shivot again says Dabang. Hello brother. Jyoti says hello brother. Shiny Seashell says Dabang. Mayank says Dabang. Jay Bhosle, I do not want to read what you've just said, but okay. Shinde Dimple says Kismat Connection. Tanish says Kismat Connection. Shama says Dabang is right because Shama evidently knows the answer. Spurti Gangatkar says Sultan. Shadow Hunter says Dabang. Samina says Dabang. Anubhav says Dabang. Okay. Joshi says Dabang का hook step है ये. Hmm. Anybody else? Hood Dabang. Okay. So all of y'all, okay, there are a few people who are saying Dangal also. So agar Dangal hota, तो I think it would have been a little different. This is definitely sorry. Sultan hota, Dangal hota, that would be different. This is Dabang, and this is the hook step of Dabang. That hood. मैं आज belt नहीं पहन रही हूँ वरना मैं करके दिखा रही. But yes, this is the Kalpesh, what is Bhag Milka Bhag? How is this Bhag Milka Bhag? वो कहाँ भाग रहा है बेचारा? Okay, it's not Bhag Milka Bhag. Okay, it's Dabang. And whoever said Dabang was absolutely right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Aisha says toilet. Jahidul says toilet. Subrashu says toilet. Aryan Rawat says toilet. Pooja Agarwal says toilet. Ab to padho. Dimple says toilet. Okay, all of y'all are saying toilet. But what if I tell y'all it's not toilet? Now, what will be your option number 2? If this is not toilet, then what can it be? Muskan says Padman. I'm Ishu says so easy, ma'am. Toilet. No, it's not toilet. Okay. Ankita Sharma says Piku. Pramay says Padman. Kasib says Piku. Desaiya says toilet or Piku. Tanvi says Jab we met. I'm sure it is great when you go here, but Pet Kharab. Okay, no. It is not Pet Kharab. Dia says Piku. Roxy says Piku. Shrishti says Padman. Delhi Belly. No, okay. Ayush says blackmail. Blackmail? Okay, no, it's not blackmail. It is Piku. So whoever said Piku, y'all were right. Okay, so I'm going to the next one, and this is one of my favorite movies. I really like this movie. And okay, I've added someone. Let me see. Please tell me you have good network. Hi. I think it's a day of bad Wi-Fi's. So okay, I'm sorry. I'll have to go ahead again without taking anyone on live. But okay. This is the next movie. Can anyone guess? Okay, so Monik says Bhoot. Mr. Rajput says Jungle. Okay, Rishabh Gupta says 3. Shinde Dimple says Agnipath. This Captain Jack Sparrow, why it is not Frozen for sure. Vastu Shastra, Zindagi Meri 3. Mr. 12ski says Agnipath. Shivo says Lutera. Sanskriti says Mohabbatein. Sunny says October. Anubhav says Lutera. Okay. Agnipath 3 October. So I've got Agnipath, I've got 3, I've got Bhoot, Vastu Shastra, October, and Flying Jet. Flying Jet? Okay, I've got Flying Jet. Kashish Thakur says Bhoot. Okay. I'm going to put it to see it. So a lot of y'all are saying October. Okay, guys, just give me a minute. Okay, I'm gonna put it again. Okay, I saw Kashish. Kashish, why don't you join the live? You seem to know quite a bit, so why don't you join the live? Send me a request. I could add you maybe. Okay, so all of y'all who said Bhoot, who said Vastu Shastra, who said Filori, Sanam Teri Kasam. No. Okay, it's not Sanam Teri Kasam. Laviti. Okay. Okay, so this is Lutera because she says Jab tak ye last leaf and this is that last leaf. So it is final Bhoot hai. Arey, Bhoot nahi hai. It is Lutera. So whoever said Lutera got it right. Okay, last few left. This is this is difficult, but I got it really quickly. So I think even you all will get it quickly. The next one is okay, wait. Okay, I'm adding Kashish. Hello.
What's up? What's up?
Hi. Okay, are you ready to
I
play? And listen, by the way, your Bhoot was wrong. It's not Bhoot. It's Lutera.
I know. But how Lutera? I don't know.
Because that last leaf that she says, it's on that tree. You know the last leaf.
Yeah, okay. Okay, got
Okay.
it.
Okay. Now you want me to give you an easy one or a difficult one?
Let's start with the easy one, okay?
So I'm going to give you a difficult one. Okay, perfect. So, okay.
Okay.
Why don't you guess this? I don't think it's that difficult, but okay.
That's a bull. Okay. That's just a bull.
So, maybe you can read the comments. Maybe you can ask them to help you out.
Okay. तो ये मूवी सांड की आंख, I guess.
You want to take? People are answering. You can read it down.
It's because अगर ये सांड की आंख है तो I know मेरे
पर अगर सांड की आंख नहीं है
तो पता नहीं कौन सी यार, ये बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट दे रहे हो तुम तो। सांड की आंख, आई गेस सांड की आंख ही है कि और कोई मूवी मुझे याद भी नहीं आ रही है।
नहीं, सांड की आंख नहीं है, पर काफी लोग इसका सही जवाब दे रहे हैं।
शेर बाजार यार, शेर बाजार कैसे हो सकता है यार?
शेर बाजार नहीं है।
Somebody, सिमरन इज राइटिंग जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा।
ओह नहीं, ओके यार, आई थिंक
सीन होता है
लास्ट वाला सीन।
बाहुबली लिखा है किसी ने?
नहीं, बाहुबली भी नहीं है। कम ऑन यार,
लोगों ने इतने ज्यादा बाहुबली लिख के भेजा यार। बाहुबली
I'll give you a clue. ठीक है, जो मूवी का नाम है, the actress, okay, वो मूवी में has tattooed it on her body.
ये जो बुल है वो उसने टैटू करवा रखा है।
नहीं, जो मूवी का नाम है उसने वो टैटू करवाया है, मतलब असली में नहीं, मूवी में।
तुमने ये मूवी देखी हुई है?
हाँ, मतलब थोड़ी बहुत, लाइक पता है मुझे।
कलंक, लोग कलंक लिख रहे हैं।
Okay, someone.
ओके मट्रू की बिजली का मंडोला. ओ यार शिट.
Yes. And काफी
हाँ.
लोग सही जवाब दे रहे थे.
मट्रू की बिजली का मंडोला
You
याद
want
आया.
to try one more?
या ओके गो फॉर इट.
Okay, I'll give you an easy
This
one.
time
क्योंकि I
थोड़ा
think you're
easy,
कच्चा
yeah.
नींबू. So I'm going to give you an easy one. Okay now.
या
Okay, wait. Okay.